You gotta have the big three on the road to becoming a successful Amazon VA. Hello everyone, if this is your first time meeting me, hi, I'm Nia and I'm the new brand ambassador of Amazon Nation. And welcome to another new episode where we always share tips on how you can be a great Amazon VA and earn a better and stable income for your family. As you may already know, being an Amazon virtual assistant is one of the hottest career options that many are giving much attention right now. Given the fact that this role is highly adaptable and offers a promising source of income, plus you can stay cozy at home, it's not a surprise why many are considering this path. So here comes the question. What does it take to make the cut and become a great Amazon virtual assistant? Let me share with you 3 things that you gotta possess to succeed as an Amazon virtual assistant. First is you've got to have an unconquerable emotional why. Going up towards the peak of success is a worthy yet challenging journey. To get to the top, you've got to have an unconquerable reason that will compel you to keep you strong. Because when the going gets tough, friction takes its toll. Papasok sa isip mo ang mga salitang, you can't do it, you're not a good enough, and maybe this is just not for me. But you just can't hit the brakes and give in. You have to go back to your unconquerable emotional why and use that as your fuel to help you move forward. Make sure to take enough personal time to figure out what matters to you the most. It may take a long time for others to discover their emotional why, but it is going to make all of your effort worth the while. Next is you have to be ready when the right time comes. Just as an Olympic athlete is given tailor-fit training to get ready for his competition, you've got to groom yourself best for your career online. There are so many ways you can find scattered throughout the internet saying, this is the way, or here's a better way of doing it. However, even with all this free information online, you can help but wonder why so many people are still struggling. What's the missing link? Well, here's the media strategist Roger Ailes said, you just have 7 seconds to make a good first impression. It's those precious first seconds that really makes the most important impact to your prospect client. But how does one prepare for the first 7 seconds? Let's learn from Abraham Lincoln when he said, if I had 8 hours to chop down the tree, I'd spend the first 6 of them sharpening my axe. When and how long you have sharpened your axe has a very significant impact on how you will do in your first 7 seconds during your client interview. That's why practicing and preparing beforehand is one of the utmost importance. But just nailing the interview isn't enough to become a successful Amazon virtual assistant. As the world's leading high-performance coach, Brandon Burchard recommends having a schedule and a plan helps you gain more meaningful days and pursuits. If you're really serious about accomplishing your goals, you need to put together a schedule. Schedule and a plan to stay focused and provide a constant reminder of where you're moving towards. Writing your thoughts down and choosing your top 3 priorities for the week of the day helps you organize your mind, and having an organized mind helps you fall into state of flow. Ito yung karaniwang na tinatawag nating being in the zone. Seeing yourself move forward, although at times imperfectly, you are able to gain increments of self-respect. And the increase of self-respect brings about positive change in your life. Now I also find this quote from B. Pritchard very empowering. He said, "I might not get it right, but I tried in that slot of time and it built self-respect. I showed up, I did what I said I was going to do, I put the effort forth. Self-respect leads to that self-efficacy." But what does self-efficacy means? According to the American Psychology Association, self-efficacy refers to an individual's beliefs in his or her capacity to execute behaviors necessary to produce a specific performance attainments. In other words, ito yung belief natin sa sarili natin na kaya natin gawin ang mga kinakailangan gawin upang matanggumpay ng makamit natin ang ating mga pangarap. And lastly, you gotta know where to plant and nourish your seeds of talents. There are many courses and materials online, both paid and free, that you can access. However, if you've been doing it yourself for the past months or years, you may have already realized that it's not just about having the knowledge that will make you successful. Because if that were true, then sana lahat ng may access sa information ay successful na. I've read somewhere that relying solely on willpower isn't a sustainable habit to achieve your goals. Rather, by putting yourself in an environment that encourages you to work, exercise, or basically do what it is that you want to get done, and more likely to accomplish it. Kaya diba kapag sa kama ka lagi nagtatrabaho, you have to allot energy to fight the temptation to take a nap or doze off. As you compare if you have a designated work area, you have longer and improved focus, leading you to complete more tasks. Same goes with learning. You have a high chance of success if you surround yourself with like-minded people who understand and share the same aspirations as you do. And if you've been looking for the best place to plant your seeds, invest in your career through Amazon Seller Virtual Assistant Masterclass, brought to you by Amazon Nation, to gain the tailor-fit learning you need to get geared for success. You are now aware of the possibilities awaiting for you. So now all you have to do is take the course and be part of Amazon Seller Virtual Assistant community. If you want more information, just go to our description box below and click the link to our ASBA Masterclass. Well, that's it for our video. I hope this has been insightful for you. Again, I'm Nina, your brand ambassador, and with Amazon Nation, we open possibilities.